Hello, boys and girls and parents. We are beginning week 2. We have finished our first full week of digital learning, and it went way better than I expected. You guys have been absolutely amazing, and I wanted to start by saying thank you. Thank you, students, for engaging, for doing your work, for watching the videos, for communicating with me. Thank you, parents, for guiding your students through this process and also communicating with me daily. I know it's been quite a lot. I wanted to make a short video with some reminders to try to break things down and make it as clear as possible, and also a few notes about digital learning that I think are important, things that have come up in the last week that I think are important. So, to begin with, let's start with the reminders.
Every day there are 3 things required: attendance, a math part of your lesson, and a science part of your lesson. Attendance for me counts as any contact. So I send out a Google form. You can use that, or you can email me, dojo me. Any contact counts for attendance. Your math lesson involves watching the lesson video if it is assigned for the day, completing the pages in the packet in the homework book, and submitting your daily assignment to me. Look at the chart on your packet to see what is due each day. For science, you have Study Island, which should take you 5 days to complete a lesson, then the quiz in the packet, which you can submit to me. Don't forget that weekly, you also need to do 45 minutes of iReady Math. A few lesson reminders. Make sure to follow the daily chart at the front of the packet. It tells you what to complete and what is required to be turned in. Try not to fall too far behind, and definitely do not move ahead of the lessons I have taught. We need to try to make this as close to our school pacing as possible. As always, you can certainly contact me if there's something you don't understand.
So hopefully that makes it a little clear on what we need to do every day. And of course, if you have questions, you can comment down below or contact me. Now, when it comes to digital learning, I'm trying to structure it as close to how we do it in school as humanly possible. So that means that every lesson involves 3 parts: an instructional piece, which I'm doing through these videos, a guided practice piece, which I'm also trying to do through the videos, where I solve problems along with you, or you solve them and then we go over them together. And then there needs to be an independent part, a part where you try it completely on your own. Now, when you're at home working, you have me, you can comment on my YouTube videos, and many of you have family members, parents, siblings who are answering your questions and helping guide you, and that is wonderful. It's amazing to have that kind of support. But as we go through these lessons, it is very important, students, that you have an independent piece. Think about how we do lessons in class. There's always a time after I've taught it and gone over it with you and we've practiced it together where you have to go through it on your own. And then I check you. You get some wrong. And we go over those mistakes and we learn from our mistakes. How much have we talked in class about the importance of looking at our mistakes and learning from our mistakes? We do it every single day with our homework and with our work in class. So as you're sending me the independent parts of your lesson, which are the pages that are due to me, if you look at the chart on the front of the packet, there's a column that says what is due to me. Those pieces should be done completely independently, no help at all, because you need to see what you understood and what you still need explained. And I need to see that as well. Chances are, if you're struggling with something, that a lot of other students are struggling with it too, and maybe I need to go over it again. So, what I need from you every day is watching the videos, if there is one for that day, because that's the lesson part, and it's the guided practice part. And as you begin your work, the first couple of problems, if you need help from your parents or a relative, or if you need to message me, then get that help. But then there needs to be a part, and this is the part that's due to me, that's completely independent, by yourself, to see what you get right and what you get wrong. I hope that makes things clear. I'm really excited to start week 2 with you. Later this week, I'll be sending you information on the end of the month, because the lesson plans I have for you only go up through April 14th, so the end of the month information, and we'll be in contact every day. I'll see you tomorrow for the lesson. Bye-bye.